Haya, tunacheza wote juu.
Again, I'm delighted to join my county Kenya Inter-County Sports and Cultural Association KICOSCA team that headed to Mumias, not Kakamega. But Kakamega, Mumias is in Kakamega. Yes, it's in Kakamega. For a week-long event. The theme of these games is building synergy on climate change through sports and cultural activities. I'm aware that we will fill a total of 16 disciplines in the upcoming 12th edition of the KICOSCA Games to be held next week. These games are meant to offer opportunity for county governments to showcase their talents in various sports disciplines. It's also aimed at providing a platform for interaction, bonding, and getting the energies away from regular office schedules as getting, or as the common phrase says, work without play makes job and our what? Going. The event will at the same time promote intercultural understanding through sharing of experience among workers, thereby fostering national cohesion. I'm told that more than 200 participants in the 16th discipline have assured us that we will bring over a good number of trophies. The only concern that includes football, netball, basketball, handball, athletics, chess, darts, tug of war, cultural music, and selfies. As you all are aware, our county is the defending champion in tug of war, women category, na ni wanaume, si wanaume wale ambao wamesoma hivi. As your governor, I'm proud of this team since it is a demonstration of their strength and agility, as I trust that they will change the time. How many are you? No. The women category. To urge the teams to represent as well, since we take pride in them, to bring home as many trophies as possible. Count on my support as your governor and the team leader, as I will be there to cheer you up. My administration and the Department of Sports is on instruction and is important. Chief Officer, you are here, you are under instruction to process their barriers in time to enable them to travel and meet the logistics. I tell yourself, is intending to build a state of art gym here at the site, among other sports amenities for the county workers to enhance physical and mental health for increased productivity and personal. I believe that through the supplementary have gotten enough money, tutakuja mchenge misuli hapo. Na uwanja si naona uwanja uko mzuri. Ama ni mbaya? Iko sawa, kuna maji hapo. Kwa hivyo, this time when I've decided that we put more money, making sure we have the talent track. Probably the supplementary will be by January, we'll have got somebody working on the talent track. As you go out, I expect you to act as marketing tool for our county, as ambassadors. We count on you. We will be charged accordingly to our behaviors and interaction with participants from other counties. May God bless you team as you travel to movies in Kakamega County. Something I forgot.
Your Excellency, sasa njoo mbele na naibu gavana already amekupatia waziri michezo, wengine